And just to give you guys an idea of how much I actually got off the floor using these shelves, that right there, except for this shelf, okay? This shelf right here, that's from another corner. But all that used to be tucked up underneath there, lined across, yeah, right over there. All the cylinder heads were tucked in behind the compressor, and that compressor is going outside. I've actually got this compressor is going to be hooked up outside. I also have another, I think it's 40-gallon tank and another 80-gallon tank. That's probably a year from now. I don't even worry about that. But this will be gone. I'll open up that space right there. And I'll probably end up putting the sandblaster over where the compressor is, and then adding another shelf mid-level. And this right here is going to be a workstation. There's going to be a shelf right here built on top of it. And of course, storage, tools, gaskets, stuff like that. All kinds of different engine bearings. Transmission stuff goes on the rack. Yeah, so hey, you want to know something that you won't learn from the internet, but will really help an engine, a V8, Chevy, Dodge, Ford, it doesn't matter, It'll help any engine, high RPM, I'm talking 5,500 and above RPM, okay? This is for your circle track guys, for your high RPM guys, drag racing, stuff like that. I'm going to show you something on an engine block. So this is a 2-bolt main, as you can see, small block Chevy 400, and I don't care who you are, the 2-bolt mains are stronger than the 4-bolt mains, okay? That's just a fact. So anyways,